there, Curious Cubs! Welcome back to the coolest corner of YouTube, Curious Cub. I'm super excited you're here because today we're diving into the slippery, bubbly, and totally awesome world of soap. So let's get right to the big question. How does soap actually kill germs? Is it just about bubbles and smelling good? Or is there some secret science hiding in that slippery stuff? Let's find out together. Alright, first up, what even is soap? Soap is made when you mix fat or oil with something called alkali. Sounds weird, right? But trust me, this magical mix creates something super cool. It loves water and it loves oil at the same time. Imagine a molecule with two hands. One grabs onto water and the other grabs onto all the greasy dirt and germs. It's basically a double-agent secret spy. Pretty cool, huh? Now let's see how soap actually fights germs. Most germs, like bacteria and even sneaky viruses, wear a fatty layer as their armor. That keeps them safe, until soap shows up. When you wash your hands with soap, it attacks that fatty layer like a superhero blast. Pow! The soap breaks the germ's armor apart, and the germ just falls apart, gone for good. Then, water comes in, swooshes away the broken pieces, and boom! Your hands are squeaky clean. So every time you use soap, you're a germ-fighting hero. Go you! But wait, just slapping on some soap and rinsing isn't enough. You gotta rub. Rub between your fingers, around your thumbs, the backs of your hands, even under those fingernails. Why? Because rubbing helps the soap reach every tiny corner where germs love to hide. Next time you wash, sing happy birthday twice. That's about how long you need to get all those sneaky germs. Now, ready for some funny soap facts. Fact 1. Soap has been used for over 5,000 years. Even the ancient Egyptians used it, although theirs probably smelled a bit like onions. Ew. Fact 2. There's special soap made just for astronauts. They don't use water in space. And fact 3. The bubbles in soap, they don't do the cleaning. They're just there for fun. So don't worry about popping them. Want a fun science trick you can try at home? Get a plate of water and sprinkle some black pepper on top. Pretend that's the germs. Now, dip your finger in plain water. Nothing happens, right? But dip your finger in soap, then touch the water again. Whoa, the germs zoom away. That's the power of soap in action. Make sure you ask an adult before you try it. Alright, quiz time. Let's see how much you remember. 1. What is soap made from? A. Sugar and salt. B. Oil, fat, and alkalic. Ice cream and water. 1. What does soap do to a germ's outer layer? A. Builds it stronger. Colors it pink. C. Breaks it down. 1. Why should we rub our hands while washing? To wake them up. To remove rings. C. To clean all corners. 1. What do the bubbles in soap actually do? A. Clean everything. B. Just make it funk. Dance on your fingers. Ready for the answers. 1B. Oil, fat, and alkali. 2C. Breaks it down. 3C. To clean all corners. 4B. Just make it fun. So now you know, soap is more than just foam and smell. It's a germ-busting superhero that protects us every day. So next time you wash your hands, give a little thank you to those soap heroes. If you loved this bubbly adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curious Cub. Come back tomorrow for more awesome science and fun. Until then, stay clean and stay curious. Bye-bye.